Hiya, you know, roundhouse kick. Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are part of the family already, thank you very much. And if you are not, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. So for today, we are doing a full face with concealer only. As I started looking at this video, I did notice that I kind of set the concealer with a pressed powder, but we'll get when we get to that bridge, we'll talk about it. So I do hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So I'm using two concealers, one that's lighter than my skin tone, you guys see me working with and carving out my eyebrows with. All the products I've used in this video will be either in the description or in a pinned comment underneath this video in the comment section. So I decided to just do a full face of concealer only. I've done this before when in my pre-foundation days, where all I used to wear on my face was pressed powder and the clam, you know, the powder compacts that are shaped like a clamshell from CoverGirl, you know, easy breezy beautiful. Let me stop. Oh, that sounded so much better in my head. I could sing a little lick, but I'm just, you know, jokey joke. So I'm carving out my eyebrows with the lightest shade of concealer here. You know, get my eyebrows together, and I'm very particular about my eyebrows because, you know, there are some days I've done my eyebrows, and then when I get out there and I think it looked great, and I get to stop and go in the bathroom, and I'm like, oh my goodness, my eyebrows. No wonder I was getting those looks, you know. It looked like I'm kicking karate, you know. Hiya, you know. Roundhouse kick. Let me stop. So I'm using the lightest shade to cover up my eyebrows, and I'll later use it to highlight certain parts of my face. But right now, as you can see, I'm really in my mode right now, trying to just get these eyebrows together. If you guys are watching this is the first of many videos that I'm releasing. That will be a part of my new schedule. So you'll be getting videos every week, but they're gonna be multiple. That's all I will say. What I like to say to you guys when I make my post, stay tuned. And you see that mark? That's telling you the contrast of color between concealer and my natural skin. Like, bleh. Alright, so now I'm going in with that darker shade, more closer to my skin tone. I had to go and get my Wonder Blender, which is also from Shop Miss A, as well as both concealers I'm using for this full face is from Shop Miss A. Now, I will tell you, as far as the consistency of this concealer, it is absolutely divine. If you guys have tried Revlon's Color Stay, it's a little bit looser, less thicker than that consistency. Revlon Color Stay is full coverage for the most part, and it's a long wear foundation. I think it's meant to be transfer resistant. Why can I talk? So with this, it's a little bit lighter in consistency than a foundation, but it still provides full coverage, and you guys are beginning to see that as I'm working. And the Wonder Blender is from Shop Miss A as well. So I will say this, I guess you guys can call this a mini review of the concealer. So, you know, killing two birds with one stone, you know, just a review and a full face look in one. Winning. Praise the Lord. It has been a while since I have done a voiceover. Oh man, this brings back memories of my early videos. I still like to do these from time to time though. So I'm going back in, and as you can see, I'm just really particular carving out my eyebrows because I don't want my eyebrows to look like they're about to duel. We don't need that happening at all. No. And you see I'm going in, I think that's the lighter shade Nutmeg and the color Rich. So just in case you ladies are wondering and you guys are my skin tone or close, the two colors I used, the lightest shade I used to cover up my eyebrows was with the color Nutmeg, and then I went in with the color Rich. So that is what I was talking about earlier in the video. So I used CoverGirl's pressed powder in that clam shaped compact, CoverGirl smoothers in translucent sable. That used to be my holy grail back in them days, back in them high school days. That's all I used to put on my face, with the exception of an eyeliner pencil and, you know, maybe a little bit of that eyeshadow, you know, like the drugstore, City Trend, dollar type of stuff, before I really started to invest in my makeup application and products. You know, we all start somewhere, so there's no shame in my getting it's all bars. So I'm using in Shop Miss A's AOA Buttercream gel eyeliner and eyeshadow in the color Rose. Let me stop. So I use that to set my I use that to go in the inner corner, outer corner of my eyes only. I've kind of been liking that, just doing that, you know, for when I want to touch a color but I don't want to do everything like all over the whole lid. And I'm using NYX's matte setting spray. And I did spray it one more time after this video is over. All right, so we're going to go ahead and gloss these lips up. That is from Shop Miss A as well. Their lip gloss. I forgot what color it's in, but I kind of tainted it with red lipstick, which is also from Shop Miss A. And I use Nicka K's, yes, lip gel and argan oil. You know, just get that lips, get my lips popping. You know, with a little bit of glitter, a little bit of gloss, but I'm not overdoing it. That's kind of how I am with all of my makeup. I don't like to overdo it. Right, so this is the final look, full face with concealer only, with the exception of me setting it with pressed powder and setting spray. And until next time.